Hi, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see a perfect guide to the PhD aspirants and to the PhD pursuing candidates. So with the help of this guidance, or I'm going to show you one website here, that is official website of the University Grants Commission. So with the help of that website, whoever the PhD aspirants are there and whoever the PhD pursuing candidates are there, they can able to finish their PhD as early as possible. So before going into the details and all, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe, and after subscribing tap the bell icon. Then you're going to get all my updates and videos as immediate notifications to your mobiles, laptops or desktops. So now while coming to the present content of the video, see it is a Shodh Gangotri research in progress. So it is the official website, one of the official website of the University Grants Commission. So why I'm saying that this website is really helpful to the PhD pursuing or the PhD aspirant candidates, because so who are the PhD aspirants are there, they are struggling to get what is the current technology and what is the current trend in their respective area or specialization. And while coming to the PhD pursuing candidates, they require some help at the time of doing the research work, and at the time of preparing the thesis also they need some way of format. So how to prepare the thesis and what are the procedures and what are the steps we have to take care of all these things. So for that purpose, this website is included all the previous thesis whoever already did their PhD, and the already completed the PhD thesis are kept in this website. So it really helpful to the candidates who wants to do the PhD or who are pursuing the PhD. See, while coming to the introduction of this website is, the word Shodh originates from Sanskrit and stands for research and discovery. Gangotri is one of the largest glacier in the Himalayas and source of origination of Ganges, the holiest, longest and largest of rivers in India. The Ganges is a symbol of age-long culture, civilization, ever-aging, ever-flowing, ever-loving and loved by its people. Under the initiative called Shodh Gangotri, research scholars or research supervisors in universities are requested to deposit an electronic version of approved synopsis submitted by research scholars to the universities for registering themselves for the PhD program. Now it is expanded to MRPs, PDFs, emeritus fellowships, etc. The repository on one hand would reveal the trends and directions of research being conducted in Indian universities, on the other hand it would avoid duplication of research. Synopsis in Shodh Gangotri would later be mapped to full-text thesis in Shodh Ganga. As such, once the full-text thesis is submitted for a synopsis, a link to the full-text thesis would be provided from Shodh Gangotri to Shodh Ganga. So it is the introduction of this one. So now I'm going to show you how it helpful to you or to make your PhD very easy. Is that, see, these are all the universities or institutions or colleges where they kept their synopsis or the PhD thesis here. So the total 7,015 synopses are uploaded, and here the college name and the corresponding number of thesis submitted figure is also mentioned here. So for example, if I want to check any one university thesis, so click on that particular university, then you will be directed to this web page, so which shows that here the total number of theses submitted by this university are 3,246, and the departmental wise theses are also mentioned here. So for example, if I belongs to engineering, so click on this faculty of engineering, total 179 theses are there. And here if I belongs to VLSI, then click on this VLSI and click on the go. Then whatever the thesis submitted based upon this faculty of engineering and the VLSI specialization, so they are going to show here. So here the issue date is 23rd August 2019, that is it's the latest one. So based upon this title itself, you can able to understand that some research work is currently going on this topic. So if you want to know this one in detail, so click on this title, then it will be directed to this web page. It is going to show that title page, introduction, literature review, objectives, methodology and work plan, references. So for the PhD aspirants or the PhD starters, the literature review is very much helpful to them, because based upon the literature review only they can able to understand that what is the problem they are going to face in the present research area. So if you want to know the literature survey, then click on this one, view. Then whatever the literature survey done by that particular PhD candidate, so we can able to see that literature survey completely in this one. So this kind of synopsis of this literature survey will really helpful to you, and it reduces a lot of work. So based upon this literature survey and the current work done by this particular candidate, you can able to understand what is the research problem in this area or in this particular title. So if you want to know the objectives, and if you want to know the methodology on the work plan, how they did, and the references, each and everything will be clearly provided in this website. So this type of synopsis will really helpful to identify the current research problem in your particular specialization, and what is the procedure they previously followed. Each and everything you can able to know by this complete thesis or the PDF whatever they provided in this website. So I hope that this website or this video will really helpful to the PhD aspirants or candidates in finding out the research problem, or in writing the thesis, or in the methodologies what they have to implement, and what are the methodologies already the previous candidates did. You can able to see all these things by sitting in front of the laptop by opening this website. So it is the update that I want to provide you through this video from my channel. And if you feel that this website is really helpful, so please share this video or this website to the PhD aspirants or the pursuing candidates, then it really helpful to them. So for more updates and videos, please subscribe, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Thank you.